Are you exhausted from the endless cycle of trying to make money online? It's a common struggle, you're not alone. The digital world is vast and filled with competition. It's like a labyrinth, easy to get lost, hard to stand out. The market is saturated, brimming with people trying to achieve the same goal. It takes so much time, energy, and sometimes even your peace of mind to finally see a profit. But what if there was a better way? What if there was an alternative that didn't involve you glued to your screen? When it comes to making money online, many are drawn to the allure of quick riches and flexible hours. But let's dive a bit deeper into the other side of the coin. The digital world is ever-changing, which can lead to a lack of stability. You're constantly riding the waves of trends, algorithms, and market fluctuations, which can be as exhausting as it is exhilarating. Then, there's the relentless need for self-promotion. You become the product, and every post, every tweet, every video is a pitch. It can be a taxing, never-ending cycle of selling yourself to the world. And let's not forget about the potential for scams. From pyramid schemes to sketchy investment opportunities, the internet is a breeding ground for the unscrupulous, preying on those seeking easy money. So, the glossy image of online money-making? It's often just that, an image. The truth is, online money-making isn't as glamorous as it seems. Instead of chasing the elusive online dollar, why not invest your time and energy into something more tangible? Consider this: what if you take that same level of dedication and apply it towards learning a new skill or starting a small local business? This alternative path can bring more stability to your income as it's less reliant on the fickle nature of online trends. It also offers personal development, providing you with valuable experience and skills that can benefit you in the long run. Moreover, investing in a local business can have a positive impact on your community, creating job opportunities and strengthening local economy. And let's not forget the potential for growth and success. With hard work, a small local business can flourish into a thriving enterprise, proving that sometimes the most rewarding ventures are those rooted in reality, not in the virtual world. Investing in yourself or a local business can provide a more reliable and fulfilling income. So have we piqued your interest? Great. Now imagine the exhilaration of carving your own path, not dictated by the whims of the online market. Picture the personal growth that comes with exploring these alternative options. Visualize the satisfaction of creating something truly yours and the financial growth that can follow. No more chasing shadows. It's time to create real, tangible success. Don't waste another moment in the online money chase. Take the first step towards a more fulfilling and profitable path today.